Hello guys, how to use and how to create WhatsApp channel on your Android phone and to launch WhatsApp and update your WhatsApp through Google Play Store, and as soon as you update an update feature will visible on your screen. Click on it, follow your interest on WhatsApp channel, choose agree and continue. Here most feature updates on WhatsApp you care about, find and explore channels, added privacy for phone numbers. There is three types of terms visual here. You should tap on agree and continue. The next screen will appear. Fourth menu bar, all, most active, popular and new. As per your choice, as per your interest, all channels will available here under most active, popular, which having more subscriber. Now look for any channel, go to search icon, tap on it, and we will type search a name Narendra, and Narendra Modi WhatsApp channel will appear. If you want to subscribe it, click on plus icon, or and a tick sign will appear, means you successfully subscribed Narendra Modi WhatsApp channel. Now tap on it to know what new arrival of Narendra Modi WhatsApp channel. Look and enjoy. Now we will see how to create a new WhatsApp channel for you. You can also create your own WhatsApp channel. Tap on plus sign located besides the channels. All your subscribed channel will visible here. Again, tap on continue. Channel name, put a name of your channel, and your channel is successfully created. Click on three vertical dot and you will find your channel info.